You want to tell them which bike you chose?
So this is the XP4 750. Reminds me of those motorcycle guys where their hands are way up in the air. Like that could be me.
Could be.
My knees would be in my chin, I think, but you know, options. I've got options. If I want to be cool, then I'll just grow out the long beard, and that could be my chopper.
Oh my God.
Woo! Sorry, I got off a little bit there.
We were coming in hot. Let me just tell you, I barely pedaled at all and got up to 20 miles an hour.
Oh my gosh!
I went full throttle and I was only on tour mode.
My legs are burning though from my ride.
My legs are fine. Just fine. The only thing wrong with me right now, my butt's a little sore and I only went down the road and back. Here we go. Bike number 2. Note I did not say trike number 2. Rochelle got the trike, I got the bike. Here we go. We learned some lessons. First and foremost, there's a QR code right there with video instructions. We're starting with that this time. And then we're gonna open this box.
Yes, they want to make sure you don't throw that box away.
Open this box. E-bike accessories.
You also have another box inside that goes with this.
Right, yeah. Not accessory. Not accessory.
I was gonna try to help, but the first thing I was gonna try to pull up was part of the whole box, I think, so.
Yeah.
I'll just sit here and be moral support.
Yeah. We did learn some things yesterday, so I think they're ultimately gonna help. This is the handlebars. Now I know how to properly do the handlebars. Coming out of the box. Make it much easier.
We should have shown the shape of this box
Oh.
when we got it too.
Yeah. This was not us. It came off the truck that way. So we'll be checking just to be sure. But this is, now I've already taken a few things out, but this gives you an idea of how they come boxed. These are the handlebars. And there we go.
You want to tell them which bike you chose?
So this is the XP4 750. And I think when you just get the bigger battery for the XP4, it's $300, I believe. Don't hold me to that. So this just allowed me to go a little faster, a little longer, and still came in about $500 less than Rochelle's.
Look, mine's gonna be safer.
We paid $500 for safety though, and I'm okay with that because the flip side of that would have been much more than $500 for the medical bills. Sorry, but that would have been a factor.
Sadly, you are not wrong.
Motorized.
Beneath the scissors.
Imagine if you'd have been. Imagine that without.
Yeah, when I kicked it into sport mode a minute ago.
Yeah, it kind of shocked her.
It was like, whoop, really fast. I mean, and it wasn't really fast, but just, I wasn't expecting it to immediately give me that go. And it did.
All right, I think what's gonna happen right now, I want these boxes to lay flat.
there a thing in the way?
So if you're on the step that I'm on, this little contraption right here is in the battery well, and that will keep you from being able to close it. We're gonna hold on to that. Okay. All right.
Oh, you got a kickstand on yours. Look at that.
I'm gonna pick it up.
How heavy is it?
Not very.
That's good.
All right. Let's get you introduced to my XP4 750.
Still has a little bit of paper.
It's got a little bit of stuff, but at least you can kind of get the idea. Clearly got to raise the seat, just unless I want like a low rider. Reminds me of those motorcycle guys where their hands are way up in the air. Like that could be me.
Could be.
My knees would be my chin, I think, but you know, options. I've got options. If I want to be cool, then I'll just grow out the long beard, and that could be my chopper.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so I went with the somewhat the military green. It's not quite military green, but
More of an olive, but it's
it's
pretty.
yeah. I'm kind of a military green guy, but yeah, I like it. All right, so quick release. I don't know if you just saw, but super easy to install. Just like a air compressor. Really nice. Super nice. Both pedals installed.
He's gonna need to go watch a YouTube video on how to ride his bike, because it's a little bit different than mine. But he's definitely gonna take it out.
Okay. Folks, how did you turn on the headlight?
Press and hold the plus, yeah.
Did it come on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright. I'm just easing her down here right now. Figuring out my brakes.
The headlight's pretty good. I apologize in advance for my terrible videoing skills. I have not honed them yet. Oh, he's just going. He's just going. I can't keep up. This is like when he was doing the Ironman. Boy, don't fall. You didn't even put your helmet on. Oh my gosh. Guys. Keep going. And he's not following the rules of the road by driving on the wrong side of the road. He's one of those bicycle people that will ride on the sidewalk instead of in the road where he's supposed to be. I'm gonna go ahead. Woo! Sorry, I got off a little bit there.
We were coming in hot. Let me just tell you, I barely pedaled at all and got up to 20 miles an hour.
Oh my gosh!
I went full throttle and I was only on tour mode. I was not on eco. I'm in class 2. She'll go.
Okay, so here's the difference. Mine will only go up to 14 miles per hour.
Woo.
So, yeah.
this sucker goes.
He's gonna leave me in the dust
And
when we
I
get out to
didn't
the
even push
beach.
it. I got to 20 and I took my finger off the throttle.
I didn't touch the throttle on
Once I
mine.
hit the throttle, I did not pedal anymore. I just throttled it.
See, you're not, I mean, you do you. My legs are burning though from my ride.
My legs are fine. Just fine. The only thing wrong with me right now, my butt's a little sore, and I only went down the road and back.
Yeah, you're gonna need to figure that out. Well, it probably needs to be pointed down some too.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to work on this because me and that not getting along too well. But yeah, she goes. I could ride this thing to work.
Yeah, probably get there faster.
Goes. That was fun.